With the FD01 update, we now get the ability to take a part with a CAD family table and generate a parametric table right in the drawing. Now, in the past, this was usually a super manual task of building a custom table from scratch, and you had to type in the list of possible values for each variable. Now, if you insert a part into a drawing that has that CAD table in it, you have the option to insert the table just as easily as you would a BOM or revision table. This auto-populates part numbers and the associated values from the design table, making this part of drawing creation much less labor-intensive. The best part of this is that it updates dynamically when the drawing is opened after changes are made to the part, so you don't have to manually go in and search for those changes, and this really reduces errors and increases efficiency. And I think this is going to be helpful for any post-product release use case. This, let's say, such as application engineering or manufacturing engineering, or maybe even purchasing. This type of a charted drawing updating dynamically based on the part changes is going to really make it easier for everybody to keep track of those changes downstream, and there'll be significantly less chance of any of those changes being missed with a new revision.